Hi guys.
What's up? This is episode 1 of the TTN vlog.
Yes, so first episode, big news, right? We have a massive brand new shop to us.
Whoa.
Look at all this space, dude.
Oh my gosh. So we wanted a place to call HQ where we're building these heaters, storing our vehicles, and we found
Place to work.
Yeah, we literally need a place to work.
Yeah, we're doing everything in driveways for like years, so this is bad.
Yeah, it's time to be big boys, time to be adults.
I know.
So we're doing adult things.
So we sold our houses, we're now homeless, and now we have a shop.
Now we got a shop. But guess what? We can live in our trucks, as you guys know. I mean, they're fully kitted out.
What's the saying? Like you can drive a car and live in a car, but you can't drive a house.
You can sleep in your car, but you can't drive a house.
Yes. There you go. Thank you.
You're welcome. But so our plan for these vlogs is so you can get to know us, follow along, and understand the projects that we're going through. So like, as you can see, we've got my truck in here.
Big old GMC right here.
We're going to be doing a full electrical in the back. We still haven't done it yet. And more importantly, we've got a big project to announce on the GX.
Oh, yeah. This bad boy is going to get a second solid axle. So.
We're doing all these uncut, so this is just all the way through. But yeah, Chase is going to be swapping a solid axle onto the GX.
So solid axle swap, maybe some different sized tires. I'm not sure yet. But yeah, there's a whole bunch of room for also drift cars coming in here. So might be doing some drift car shenanigans again.
Yep, and we're going to be...
That'll be fun.
We're going to be creating our normal studio like we had at the house. Yeah. We've got all this storage racks back here, and we're building a loft.
Yes. We can go up on the loft. And there's a lot of room for activities.
So much room for activities. But so we're going to document all of our build process in here, anything going on, and we're going to check in with you guys every single week so you guys know what's going on in our lives, know what's going on in TTN, and showing us building our diesel heaters, which are going to be ready very shortly. We just ordered a bunch of parts, so we're going to have some spec units on the site hopefully soon.
Yep.
And we got some TTN swag coming in, so if you want some dope threads like this,
we're
be on the website.
We're going to have some cool artwork. With the logo and like some cool stuff back here with like some inspirational quotes.
And maybe next week or the week prior, we have a very, very large announcement to make.
Do I know what it is?
You do know what it is, and we're not going to tell them yet. We talked about it today.
Okay.
Guys, make sure you do the YouTube stuff, like, comment, subscribe.
Yeah, right down below. There's
the engagement helps us.
Ding, ding, ding. Push them.
So yeah, tune in next week for TTN Vlog 2.
Yeah, thank you. Bonk. You can push right here.